Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to start Chapter 7, Calculation in Logo. In the last chapter, we discussed about how to display text and numbers in logo, and in this chapter, we are going to study about how to do calculations in logo using print command. See, class test, chapter 6 class test, I'm not taking now. I'm not taking this week. After finishing lesson 7 together, lesson 6 and 7 together, we can conduct class test, because lesson 6 is a very small chapter. So after lesson 6 and 7, we can plan a class test. Okay. So, shall we move to the class? Okay, children, next chapter is calculation in logo. After finishing this chapter, we can take the class test. Class test of both lesson 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7 together we can take class test. So, this chapter is also very small, very simple, very easy to study. Okay, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about how can we do calculations in logo. In chapter 6, we have studied that we can display text and numbers using print command. Similarly, for doing calculation also, we can use print command and also some operators and also using some arithmetic operators. In maths, you already studied different arithmetic operators like plus for addition, minus for subtraction, okay, cross for multiplication, slash for division, etc. Similarly, in logo also, we are using some arithmetic operators. Now, what are arithmetic operators? Operators are the symbols that help us to do calculations in logo. What are called arithmetic operators? Operators are the symbols that helps us to do calculations in logo. Operators are the symbols that helps us to do calculation in logo. Okay, what are the different operators available in MSW logo? Yes, plus for addition. Symbol is familiar to you, right? In maths, we use plus sign for addition. In logo also, we use plus sign for addition. And next is minus sign. This sign is used for subtraction. Minus sign is used for subtraction in MSW logo. And for multiplication, we use this symbol. This is called asterisk. Asterisk symbol is used for multiplication, and slash for division. Understand? So, plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk. The name of the symbol is asterisk. Asterisk for multiplication and slash for division. Clear? And today we are going to do some calculations using these symbols in MSW logo. Are you ready? You can do calculations in logo. For example, if I want to add any two numbers in the input box, see, we can change the size of the input box. See, we can just because the output of print command is displayed in the commander window, so no need of graphic screen now. So I am just increasing the size of the commander window, and also we can change the font size, okay, by clicking on set commander font. Using this option, we can change the font size. I hope you all can see the screen properly. Okay, so first if I want to add two numbers, then we can use some operators. So what are called operators? Operators are the symbols that help us to do calculations and computations. Okay, operators are symbols that help us to do calculations in logo. Okay, plus is an operator, minus is an operator. showing multiplication, we use asterisk. Asterisk is an operator. Then slash for division. Slash is an operator. Okay, using all these operations, we can do simple calculations in Logo. Understand? So first I want to add two numbers, 20 and 30. For that, first we have to write print space 20 plus 30. Very easy. Then plus enter key. See, we can see the command as well as the answer in the recall this box. 20 plus 30 is 50, right? Similarly, I want to subtract a number from I want to subtract 20 from 45. So 45 minus 20, press enter, or you can click, either you can press enter or you can click execute button. 45 minus 20 is 25. The result is also displayed in the recall this box. Next, I want to multiply two numbers, for example 10 and 20. So print space 20. See, instead of cross, we use asterisk. Asterisk is a symbol that is present on the keyboard. Okay, so for selecting that symbol, you need to press both shift key and number 8. Okay, when we press shift key and number 8, asterisk symbol will be displayed in the input box. Okay, shift and number 8 is used to print asterisk, symbol asterisk. So I want to multiply 20 and 10. So print space 20 asterisk 10. Answer is 200. Okay, next is division. Print space, I want to divide 50 by 10. So 50. So division is represented using slash. Division is represented in Logo using slash. Print space 50 slash 10. Okay, so we can divide 50 by 10. Answer will be 5. So you can see the sum of two numbers, okay, difference of two numbers, okay, product of two numbers, and also quotient of two numbers. Okay, you can do simple calculations. You can do simple calculations using print command in Logo. Similarly, we can use combination of symbols, combination of operators. For example, if you want to do a series of addition or a series of subtraction, or we want to do addition and subtraction together, then also we can then also we can use all these commands together, no problem. For example, print perform addition and subtraction together, then also it is possible. Print space 20 plus 30 minus 10. Let us see the result. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. Answer is correct. So we can use addition and subtraction together. But if you want to multiply the result, we have to use another statement. We cannot do it together. Or we have to put a bracket. For example, print space within bracket, you can do 20 plus 30 minus 10, close the bracket, and divided by 5. Result is correct. See, 20 plus 30 is 50, 50 minus 10, 40, 40 by 5, 5 8s are 40. So the answer is correct. If you want to do multiplication or division, first we have to complete addition and subtraction, and addition and subtraction should put inside a bracket, and after that you can perform multiplication or division. Understand? So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done with the help of print command in Logo, and either we can do the operations separately, or we can do the calculations together. So if a statement contain both addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, addition and subtraction should be done first, and that should be put inside a bracket. Understand? And then you have to perform division and multiplication. So what are called operators? Operators are symbols that help us to do simple calculations in Logo. Okay, so operators are used to do simple calculations in Logo. Okay, addition is represented using plus sign, subtraction is represented using minus sign, division is used represented by asterisk, division is represented by slash, and multiplication is represented by asterisk. Clear? So only this much for today. You can practice this type of things at home. Okay, only this much for today. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.